Hi guys, I'm Freya and this is my channel. What are we gonna do today is slime. Filipino slime. The materials are glue and detergent. First step, glue. Second, wait lang po ha. Second, detergent. Mix lang po ng i-mix. Hi guys, this is my slime. Yung ginawa ko po slime kaganina. Mix nyo lang po until it comes together. Mix lang po, ayun po. It's still sticky. Ito po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-like itong video at kung hindi niyo naman po gusto, ito po ang pindutin niyo. At don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!